A pleasant day, everyone. I am Princess Mayrica from BSED English 3rd year Set C. This video is for activity number 9 of EDUC 312 subject, and I will be going to explain how the development of child's ability to represent knowledge and how the spiral curriculum works. So first, let's discuss how the development of child's ability to represent knowledge. In this lesson, we will discuss Bruner's theory and development and his 3 modes of representation. Let me introduce the Bruner's Constructivist theory. In this theory, it emphasizes that learning is an active process in which learners generate new ideas or concepts based on their current and past knowledge. So there are 3 stages of representation, which are inactive representation, iconic representation, and symbolic representation. So inactive, which is the representation of knowledge through actions. This stage involves the encoding and storage of information. There is a direct manipulation of objects without any internal representation of the objects. Second is the iconic, which is the visual summarization of images. The iconic stage appears from 1 to 6 years old. This stage involves an internal representation of external objects visual in the form of a mental image or icon. And let's move on to symbolic representation, which is the use of words and other symbols to describe experiences. The symbolic stage from 7 years and up is when information is stored in the form of a code or symbol such as a language. Each symbol has a fixed relation to something it represents. All learning, according to Bruner, takes place through the stages where we have just discussed. Bruner also believed that direct objects interaction should be the first step in learning. Now let's move on to how the spiral curriculum works. Each year, students are exposed to a wide range of math topics in a spiral curriculum with the goal of learning a bit more about each with every pass. In an ideal world, the curriculum would cover fewer topics in greater depth each year. So take a close look at this graphic here. The students can't learn to write before they understand some fundamental concepts such as spelling, grammar, and parts of speech, and so on. Moreover, they must improve their vocabulary. So, if we want to learn to write or teach others to write, we must start from the bottom of the spiral. Words, sentences, paragraphs, and multiple paragraphs discussing the same topics follow. Spiral upward with increasing difficulty. On top of one body of knowledge, we can build another. One subject must be completed before moving on to the next. And that's how spiral curriculum works. And that's all for today.